Boy 8000 here. Welcome to another vlog video. I just wanted to say one thing before I talk about anything else. Kenny. He is my new mascot. Guys haven't chosen, but I'm choosing right now to you guys for spawn. Yeah. Kenny, he's awesome. He's gonna be our mascot. That's big and soft and fluffy. Okay, so yesterday was okay. Yeah. Hold on. Someone's calling me. It's muted, but I see the little thing coming up. Yep. Hello. Taylor, if this is you, I'm gonna punch you in the face at school tomorrow. Not literally, but he doesn't know that. Anyway. Yeah. I'm doing a project at school for Obeus. Yeah. You guys want to see some paper airplanes? I can make a paper airplane right now. Sheet of paper. So easy. Basic airplane. But not super basic. Oh, jeez. Sorry. Never mind. I'm not gonna say. Sorry about my cough. Okay. What you're gonna need is regular sheet of paper. Fold it in half. Like this, not like this. Fold it in half the other way. Something like this. Yeah, something like this. Make it a little better. Try to have it a little better. Okay, something like this. Doesn't have to be perfect, but it has to be somewhat close. Okay, so you're gonna unfold it and mine's not perfect because I didn't line them up best. So what you're gonna need to do is this: fold them both like that. And the next step is fold it again to the same crease. Have it like this. Do this to both sides on the paper airplane. Yeah, it's way off. Look at this, guys. How off that is. You can do it again if you want to, but for this demonstration, this is what you have so far. And then you fold it so that the top part is touching this bottom part like this. Have this part right here touch the bottom part right here. So that part touching there on both sides. Shut up, tablet. Okay. Let's see how well this flies, and let's see if we can make any adjustments. So there you go. That's good. Not sure if you even see that. I'll show it to you guys. Yeah, it's not super good. What? Where did it go? Where'd it go? I don't really know where it went. I don't know where it went. Where did it go? What piece of crap now? Guess it. Oh, shit. Oh, come on. What a friggin' dog. Been everywhere. Where is it? What the heck is it? Is it another video? Oh, okay. Found it. Okay. Now, sorry if the video went upside down there for a second. What I'm gonna do is fold the wings up. So you have the bottom part of the wing touch the roof, the top part of the flame. So you should end up with something like that. Do that with both sides. Only do this once. I mean, you can try and do it again, but it's gonna be hard just with that tiny little part you have there. Okay, pretty nice. This is what it should look like. Like walls right here on the wings, and the wings tilted about maybe 45 degrees or so. The back part right here tilted down about 45 degrees or so. I don't know how well I did. Let me show you. Nice drill. Not bad. Not bad. Let me show you one more time for you guys. One more time. It looks cool. That's why I'm showing it to you. It's okay. I'll have to rewatch the video so you guys can see it. And it's a pretty cool plane. It'll be the best. You gotta throw it upwards. Don't just throw it straight or it'll fall faster. Because if you guys could see that, it went a little farther. And that's how you make a paper airplane. You're welcome. Bye.